Hey there, fellow job seekers. If you're like me, you might have signed up for Indeed at some point and now you're drowning in emails about job alerts, recommendations, and updates. Don't worry, I'm here to help you take control of your inbox. In this quick guide for 2025, I'll walk you through the simple steps to unsubscribe from Indeed emails, so you can declutter your life and focus on what matters. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Indeed account. Open your web browser, go to Indeed.com, and enter your email and password. If you don't remember your login, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Once you're logged in, head over to your account settings. You can find this by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, in the Settings page, look for the Email Notifications or Preferences section. This is where Indeed lets you manage what kinds of emails you receive. Scroll down until you see options for job alerts, daily digests, or promotional emails. Simply uncheck the boxes next to the ones you no longer want. For example, if you're tired of job recommendations, toggle that off. Make sure to save your changes at the bottom of the page. There should be a Save or Update Preferences button. If you can't log in or prefer not to, there's another way. Open one of the Indeed emails you've received, scroll to the bottom, and look for the Unsubscribe link. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page where you can confirm your unsubscribe request. This method is straightforward and doesn't require accessing your account. After you've made these changes, give it a day or two for the emails to stop coming in. Remember, some emails might still arrive if they're part of ongoing applications, but this should cut down the bulk. And if you ever change your mind, you can always resubscribe through the same settings. There you have it. That's how to unsubscribe from Indeed emails in 2025. It only takes a few minutes and can make a huge difference in managing your digital life. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.